Here's the Honda Ridgeline. Let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to show you this process just in the left side doors. Open the front door and right over there is a sensor. We need either a Phillips head screwdriver or a 8mm socket ratchet combination to get the bolt off of there. This bolt is the only thing that's holding the sensor in place, so let's go ahead, get it out and set it aside. Now get the sensor and pull it out of the body. Now we have to get the electrical connector off of it. So for that, press right where I'm pressing with my right thumb and then pull the connector off the sensor. Get the new sensor and then click it back on. It only goes on in one way. Let's put it back in the body, and it's important you get this bolt back in and you tighten it down properly, because this bolt is the only thing that's connecting the sensor to the body, and there's a metal part on the body and a metal part on the sensor, and this bolt is the only thing that connects them all together and keeps it together and makes the sensor to work. Otherwise the sensor will not work. Exact same process on the rear, no differences whatsoever. Same sensor, same bolt, same tools needed. Let's just go ahead, get this connector off of here now, put the new one back in, click it on, and let's just put it back in. Same thing, make sure the bolt is on properly and it's tightened properly so that the connection is formed and the sensor is working as it should. And that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Thank you.